Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. These are countertop stylings, the deep fryers, and the units they connect with the propane fires. So this is outdoor use only for the units. As we can see the overall sizes, let's take a measurements first. This unit will be about like a 16 inches in the length. And the height is about like almost like a 15 inches tall. In the overall depths, they are about like a 19 inches deep. So we can see the units made by all stainless steels, also coming with the seasoning cups on the side, and these connections, fire starters, and also coming with a wall leads. And we can take a close to see the inner side. For these fryers, we have a single compartments and also single leads right here, single basket. And from the edge, you can put this basket mount on top of it. And dimensions will be 7 inches wide, 8 inches long, and 4 inches deep. And for this pot, they are about like 6 inches deep and 10 inches wide, and they about like 1 feet 12 inches long. And this is all information about this outdoor deep fryers, countertop stylings. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.